Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Let's have a look at problem 2496, maximum value of a string in an array. So this is a newly appeared easy problem in Leetcode. So here we're going to share a solution based on the use of string isdigit method. So here the purpose for this video is not just to solve this problem, but to mention several relevant methods. So first, let's digest the problem statement or task. So the value of an alphanumeric string can be defined as if it comprises of digits only, then the numeric representation of the string in base 10. So otherwise, so the length of the Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Let's have a look at problem 2496, maximum values of a string in an array. In this video, we're going to share a solution format based on the use of string isdigit method. So first, so here the purpose of this video is not to solve this specific problem itself, but to mention several relevant methods. So first, I'll read through the problem statement to digest the task, and then we do the analysis and share the code. So the value of an alphanumeric string can be defined as the numeric representation of the string in base 10 if it comprises of digits only, or the length of the string otherwise. So given an array strings of alphanumeric strings, return the maximum value of any string in strings. So here are some examples. So example 2 is special because all the strings in the list contains numeric only. So the decimal representation of these numbers are all ones, so we return 1. So in example 1, so the first one, it contains alphabetic. So the first score is 5, and the second is 3, and the third, because it's a numerical value, this is 3, and the fourth is also a numerical value, is 4, and the last one is also digits, so the value is 0. So overall, the output should be 5, corresponding to the length of the first string in the list. So with that said, let's also look at the constraints. First, the strings have a length bounded above by 100, and each of the elements in the strings list actually is bounded above by none. So strings I contains of only lowercase English letters and digits. So this problem says upper bound is also not very large. So with that said, we are ready to write the code. So first, here I'm going to do the check using isdigit method. So the string method isdigit is going to check if the string contains only digits. If so, we're going to return a Boolean value true. Otherwise, we return a value false. So this is the method for this problem. So actually, here there are some relevant methods which you can practice to use, like the isAlpha. So this actually checks if the string contains only alphabetics. So this is similarly is numeric. It contains only is numeric. So here is all num is check if the strings consists of only alphabetics and digits. So also, like similarly, you can check is the decimal or is ASCII. So with that said, we are ready to write the code. So the code actually is rather straightforward. So we can initialize a result variable to be 0 at the very beginning. Then we just need to do a for loop for this strings list. So for string s in strings. So what we're going to do is to check how do we compute the score for s. So if s is digit, right, is digit. So I'm going to use this one. So if this is true, so we're going to compute its score by the the integer, so we are going to interpret as an integer in decimal. So then we just need to update the result to be max of the previous state and the current score. So this is the one case. Otherwise, so we're going to update the results like this: the previous state and the current length, that is length of s. So we can directly call this method. So also notice that this length as is at most none. Alright. So with that said, so we are ready to do the return. So we return the result state. So this is a solution format for this problem. So let's do a check. Yeah, it passes a special case. Now let's look at the generic case. Yeah, it passes all the generic cases. So again, as we mentioned, so it's good to practice the relevant methods, like is alpha, is numeric, or is ASCII. So with that said, so we are done for this specific problem. It's also the end of this video. Thank you.